In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat and Adobe Reader on your Windows 10 or 11 device. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for ensuring you have access to the latest features and security patches. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader application. Once it's open, look towards the upper left corner of the window. There you'll find the menu button, which might look like three horizontal lines, or simply the word menu depending on your version. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to a range of settings and options, including the one we're interested in today. After opening the menu, you'll see a list of options. You need to locate the Help section. Clicking on Help will expand yet another menu that provides various support and troubleshooting choices. Among these, you'll find Check for Updates. Select that option to proceed. This step is essentially asking Adobe Acrobat to connect to the internet and verify if there is a newer version available for you to install. It's like asking your application if it has any new cards up its sleeve. Once you've clicked Check for Updates, Adobe Acrobat will initiate a quick check. If everything is already up to date, you'll receive a message confirming this and you're all set. However, if an update is available for your software, a prompt will appear. The next part is very straightforward. You'll see an option that says download and install. Click on it. Your device will now start downloading the latest software update. During this process, it's important to ensure your internet connection is stable. If possible, avoid switching to a different network or turning off your device to prevent any disruptions. While the update is downloading, feel free to continue working on other tasks, but note that you might experience a temporary slowdown in your internet speed as the download takes precedence. After the download is complete, the installation will begin automatically. Keep your device on and connected to the internet for a smooth installation experience. The length of this process can vary depending on the size of the update and the speed of your device. Usually it doesn't take too long. Once installation is finished, you'll likely be informed of its success. At this point, you might be prompted to restart Adobe Acrobat to apply the updates fully. Simply close the application and reopen it. Now you're running the latest version with all the newest features and security enhancements. And that's it. Updating your Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader ensures you're always on the cutting edge of what Adobe offers, providing a smoother, more secure PDF experience. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check back regularly for more tech tips.